Hello, my name is Marcel, and this is Winter Forest soap making video. First, I made trees with soap frosts. I made a green cone-shaped base with the soap dough and piped the soap frosting on the dough. I initially planned to make trees with all the same color, but you know, soaps look better when it's colorful. Also, I put some gold mica on some of the trees to make them look like Christmas trees. I wanted to decorate those trees with Christmas ornaments, but they were so small I couldn't make the ornaments. And here's the recipe for the soap. I tried to put enough hard oils so the soap forms better. Also, I added sodium lactate and it worked pretty well. You'll see it later, but this time I made a really firm soap. I added fragrance oil called Sparkling Citrus and Snow from Nurture Soap. Of course, the smell of the oil is great, and I thought the scent would go well with the soap design. Next, I decorate the surface of the soap. When I make soaps with this mold, I usually cut the soap into 9 pieces, and this time I mark the lines so I don't cut the trees. Also, I made 9 golden trees so each soap bar can have one nice tree decoration. The soap got formed pretty quickly, so it was easy to put the trees on the soap. Also, I added some silver mica on the top, so it does look like it's snowing on the trees. I really love this. I know it will be a little bit hard to wash your hands with this soap, or even holding the soap will be difficult because it's kind of spiky. But I wanted to make soaps that show great nature in the winter. I think I will make more soaps with the winter theme and Christmas theme this month. Thank you for watching, and I really appreciate for subscribing to this channel. I know there are not many contents on this channel, but I will make sure that I will do my best to show awesome soaps that I make. Hope you have a wonderful day, and I'll see you next time. Bye.